Hello everyone. This is a video that will give you the instructions for the next part of your assignment. By now you should have finished your Zaption video on isotopes, and then of course you typed in the address for this and you found this video. So next thing you're going to have to do is go to your drive. So you are going to have to sign in with your username and password, your school username and password. And then you're going to go to your drive, and in your drive under your incoming, you're going to see something that looks like this. Period 1 isotopes assignment. Of course, pick the one for your period, please. This is mine. It's a little busier than yours, and mine is in my drive, but yours will be in your incoming. It'll look a little more like these labels here. And don't be alarmed. They did do an update, so it may be a little different than the last time you saw it. So if you take this assignment and you open it, you're going to see something like this. Now before, we had everyone populating with a slide of their own in one presentation, and we're going to do that again, but we're not going to do it from the beginning. We're all going to make a slide on our own presentation, and we're going to copy and paste them in. We're just going to find a way. And so instead of drawing on this one or using this one, you're actually going to just make a copy of it. And it doesn't matter what you title it, so just click OK. And now you have two open. You have the one that is shared with everyone in class, and you have the one that is a copy that is just yours. Don't share it with anyone. You don't need to. So what you're going to do is then you're going to create a slide. You're going to put your name, something like Jason Hill, and then first thing I would do is go ahead and take that text down to about 11 or 12, or you're just going to run out of space really fast. So I'm ready to complete number 1, and so let's go and check what number 1 is. And in your own words, please explain what an isotope is. Well, one thing you have to consider is that everyone in class is eventually going to have all their slides showing, so you really do need to do it in your own words. You have the entire internet to look up and learn more about isotopes to be able to put it in your words. And it will not be okay for everyone's to be matching. So really look for a unique way of saying it, or just a way to put it in your words that it makes the most sense. Then the next thing is going to be the really challenging part, and we might not see everyone get to this part, but I'm really looking forward to seeing what you come up with. We're going to take it to a higher level by using diagrams, pictures, and images, and that is going to be a way of explaining what an isotope is right here. And then also by doing that, I'm going to need to have an understanding just by your diagram of how to identify isotopes. This is meant to be difficult. Please use your imagination in your diagram. You can copy and paste pictures from the internet. You have this insert tab. You can put in images. Very easy. Take a snapshot, albums, Google Drive, or you can do this search function here. Super easy to do. There's also other things under insert. There is word art, there is lines, arrows, things, there is text boxes, so you can put labels if you would like to label things in the diagram. But your diagram, which can be a big complex diagram, it needs to explain what an isotope is. So I'm very much looking forward to seeing those. I'm not going to talk too much more about them because we need to move on. And then after you're done with this assignment, once you have this all done, number 1 and 2, there is one more address on the slide in the front of class. It is a virtual lab, and it's pretty self-explanatory. It's on radioactive isotopes. Go ahead and have fun with that if you are that far ahead of everyone. And thank you very much, and good luck.